Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? Once again, I'm Ned from Ned's Tech Bits, otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Don't worry, ma'am, I am from the internet. Today I want to check out December 1974 Science and Mechanics. Let's see what technology, science, mechanics, and society were all like back then, man. I would love to be able to afford a house like that these days. Even on dual income, we can't do it in Canada. But anyways, let's not talk about that. Let's move on in. Three guys who didn't get a free ride through college. These days, does it even matter if you go through college? I mean, take the trades, folks. Take the trades. Definitely stay ahead of the arts, especially the liberal arts. Oh yeah, unusual bargains. Unusual stuff is the best for me. We got the wholesale stuff. That's right, lots of advertisements in the front. That's always just how it is. These magazines were basically the internet of the 70s, and a lot of people are lucky enough to have family that would get them a straight up subscription, wholesale your way to big success and big money. Like I said, lots of advertisements in the front. Trick brandy glass. Okay. Never seen that. That's a new one. Trick brandy glass. A lot of these things you could even just kind of get at dollar stores in the 90s. Solid black walnut. Nobody even wants a wood pile. They call this a wood pile these days. So back in the day, everyone wanted to have these things. These days, nobody wants to have things. They want experiences, and hell, they probably couldn't even afford it. But really, if you wanted to get a really good, a legitimately, really seriously good grandfather clock, where would you go? Do you know? You sure as heck wouldn't go to Walmart. You wouldn't go to Amazon. I'm sure you could find them, but there's nothing good in there. Oh, I want that man's beard. Oh, I don't know if that guy has guts, but I want his beard. How to catch and cook your own whammons. Works for everyone. Oh, wait, she caught him. I really don't particularly believe this page because the women I date tell me that women weren't allowed to touch tools until like the late 90s. Some interesting trimmers. Why is he building a wall in the middle of his backyard? I don't know. We'll just leave him be. A fantastic moneymaker. The Guardian. Boom! Make sure you shoot all those fire. It looks like he's shooting a fireman. Like, what? Eye popper of the month. Man, they love putting women with these boats, but I don't like how quickly they put them that close to the motors. Oh, look at this. It's so cute. Look, Ma, no cord. Yeah, you can get yourself this newfangled cordless drill. And on the other hand, those of you without a cordless drill might want a self-controlled electric generator. Oh, I would love a generator. Especially one of those old ones that you could burn pretty much any kind of oil in, even like cooking oil or just stuff you got left over in the garage. This year for Christmas, get your wife a camera. That's right, get her something that she'll be messing with and have no idea how to use. I'm just saying that because all frickin' cameras are so frickin' hard to use back in the day. What we need, a pillow to say goodnight to single lonely people. That is so sad. This guy's having problems getting into his cornflakes. Can't frickin' get over how much all technology has changed, even engines, even the frickin' oil that you put in the engines. Want to be alone this Christmas? For $100,000, you can have your very own private world, personal habitat, and get cabin fever. Yeah, get cabin fever. An inflatable garage. That's right, Billy. Here's the input. Just get started. Just start huffing in there, kiddo. And that's all I got. So I got no more. Stick a fork in me, I'm done. Like and subscribe if you like the stuff. Always appreciate it. And as always, folks, take care of each other, will you?